Hey everybody, Russ C here again. No, I'm not hiding from the FBI. Everybody looking at the last video with the sunglasses. I'm trying to fix the lighting in here to get better quality video. But the hat, that's another explanation. I tried giving myself a haircut. I don't recommend it. I wouldn't make a good looking Buddha or monk. But anyway, my new hobby just so happens to tie into the hat, because all drone operators wear these kind of caps. And I became a drone operator. So, not many people were interested in my philosophy, so maybe they'd be more interested in my drone footage, which is actually pretty amazing. I worked my way up to a good drone. When I say work my way up, I mean crashed about 6 drones, lost a few in trees, and we don't have to talk about that. But each time the excuse was I needed a new drone to go find the old drone. A little tip there for you guys. Alright, so I'll see you on the next video. I hope you look at it. It's going to be some awesome footage of state parks in my area. It's really, they're underutilized resource of this area. I mean, I go to these places and they're empty. It's the best place for drone flying. No Karens. Gotta love it. Alright, see you on the next one.